There you go. Got it. Man. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful. Look. There you go. Hey, all right. So what do we have here? We're gonna be working on this walnut. We're gonna be cutting it down. And even though we have a nice opening here for the bucket truck, we have a really nice yard. We don't want to mess it up, so we're just gonna we ended up climbing it. So that's what we got so far. All right, yeah, he's up there doing his thing. All right, looking better, looking better. Hey, what's up, B? Hey, that's a nice helmet.
It's pretty and pink.
Pretty and pink, he says.
Everybody knows who I am.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Activate. Hey. Yep. All right. I'll get a chainsaw. Yeah, go ahead. Yep. Yep. All right. Give it a pull. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Yep. Let's give it a little pull. Yep. Oh yeah. There you go. Got it. Man, I thought it was gonna be a little lighter. Yeah. All right. All right, Kenzie. Give me some slack, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. More. All the way. Yes, sir. All the way. Perfect. Got it.
Make sure you're good and tight.
Good and tight, he said. There you go, that's good. Yep, he's got it.
Kenzie, you just hold your...
You be careful up there, Button. Alright, Kenzie, give me some slack, bud. We got it. Yes, sir.
Alright, Kenzie, I've got this here. Go ahead and take it off the border.
I got it too. I see them. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah.
Take this one here out first.
Okay.
Just do a tip.
Yeah.
So you pull it.
Uh-huh.
And this will take the weight. That way we got a tag.
Yeah.
Because one, the border, two, kilo.
Yeah. Hey, watch your... I'm trying to give you a slack.
Oh, you're good.
Alright. Go. Good deal. You clear? Yeah. You look clear. Come in, bring it down. I can see. Yes, sir. Oh, let me move this. I got it. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Alright. You golden? Alright. I'm gonna bring it down. Yeah. Go. Can you? There you go. Yes, sir. Trying to give us luck. There you go. All right, all the way. I'm gonna get it off the porch rack. All right, there you go. You there anywhere, Kenzie? Watch it, buddy. There you go. Oh yeah. Look at that. That was beauty. What a beauty. You clear? All right, come down. Yep. Nice. Yes, sir. We ready? Oh yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Look at that beauty. Yep. Hold on, Kenzie. Let me get my throw line out of there before it gets tangled up. Watch him. Watch him. Give a little slacky. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Good job. Nice.
Now this is a different way to make it reading.
Yes, sir. Good job, guys. Alright guys, we just got done removing this walnut. Now we're gonna come back here in 2-3 days to grind the stump, and I won't be here for that one, but I just wanted to show you we just got done. He's gotta work on blowing some of this sawdust out of here. No damage to anything, everything looking good. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's go.